Here we have the Hoover washing machine. You can check the model number here. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. Then you can load the pre-washing detergent here, the normal detergent here, and here you can put the softener in. You can then open the door, load your laundry inside, and close the door. To turn it on, rotate the knob and choose which program you would like the washing machine to operate on with. You can check the time here, and if you wish to change the temperature, you can press this button until your preferred 70 centigrade. 2 hours and 45 minutes, and then you can also change the spin here and then press play or pause to start the cycle. To turn it off, put the knob in the initial position and then switch it off from the wall switch.